Alrighty guys, welcome back for another episode. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get out this last week, but I did have some previous footage from 2022. My buddy and I took a trip way up north, did some camping in his car, and I wasn't actually going to post the video. And then, like I said, I just wasn't able to get out last week, so I said, why not? I made it into what it is. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this quick little video. Here's the footage. Some bait, back on the road. It's really blowing now. And all the car's full, and you gotta put the food in the glove box. I know you guys can't see me, but the weather is definitely not as snowy or windy here, so it's kind of nice. But we're on the home stretch, almost there, and we'll see when we get there.
I did it probably.
What in the hell? What a guy. Can't believe you got that thing. Thank you.
In my opinion, I know wrong here.
Pretty good. That is. All right, well, we're walking to spot number one that we might be fishing tomorrow. Okay, snow is deep. And what I was hoping was open is open. Hell yeah. She's open. Whew. Brr. All right, guys. Well, whew, she's cold, but the spillway is open. We might be fishing this tomorrow for catch, clean, and cook. Can't find any worms, so might be rigging up some waxies on some jigs and see what we can catch. Good deal. All right, finally made it to the campsite for tonight. Just gonna clear it out a little bit, chop some of the snow up, and get this car in here, and we're gonna do some car camping. What do you think, Josh?
She's pretty hard, bud.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Never been car camping before either, so it's gonna be interesting, but try clearing it out a little bit and get the car in here and see what happens. Go. There we go. All right. Just driving her right in here. There we go. There's camp, boys. Well, this is it for the night. Just got in here. Got the power outlet right there, and we're gonna be camping right here. It's freezing out. We're just having a couple waters as we're rigging this up. Get the back seat all set up. Got the sleeping bags and trying to figure out the front seat and get her all ready. Yeah, it's cold. Let's go. Man, let me tell you guys, this is something. It's pretty nice.
I'm cold.
Yeah, it is cold. It's cold. But we're getting her set up. We're going to cut the windows out, and we're going to get the Reflectix on these windows. And
we're gonna do shit today. We're going to bed.
We're going to be sitting pretty.
Got me putting boots on. Are we done out here?
All right, guys. Well, just getting settled in. As you can see, we got the windows covered up now. Back windows covered up, side windows. Got Reflectix. I went and bought some. That's what we're using for privacy. A little bit, you know, a little bit of a privacy filter from everybody else driving by. So Josh is working on his fronts there. And yeah, otherwise we're all set and done. It's gonna help absorb the heat, you know, and disperse it a little bit as well. So it'll work out good, but it's a little bit time consuming at first, but it's definitely worth it. So you always pull these off, save them for next time, and throw them right back up, and you're good to go. So get this done and hang out, figure out what we're gonna do, and go from there. Oh man, that is cold. Oof. Alright, I need your help. Oh, god dang. That is cold. Hold on. Whew. Thanks. That's cold. Don't do that. That's cold.
Okay, we got a box.
She's a snowstorm out here. Good?
Need that.
She's cold. It's cold. Just started the old stove up. We're gonna warm up some, what are we warming up?
Some burritos.
We're not warming up burritos.
Or there's beans, rice.
Sloppy Joes.
You have the burritos on top of the car.
Where's the Sloppy Joes? That's what I was asking you.
You put them in the front box.
Okay, well, we're warming up some Sloppy Joes, so. There you go.
What was it? What was it? You broke the spatula!
Yeah, I did.
I got light the fire, you broke it.
Did. Oh, burr. We got some,
Sloppy Joes.
got some Sloppy Joes here. Can't seem to get this grill working right.
It's on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're gonna make these Sloppy Joes if we can keep this grill running. It's really windy, so we had to move the grill here. And it is on, technically, I think, right now.
It's on.
Dump some Sloppy Joes in there and warm it up. Oh, man. Alright, there. You got a spatula for me?
Yeah, the broken one that you had.
It's cold. Wind's still whipping. We're gonna get some food in our bellies before we crawl into the car for the night. Alright guys, it's super freaking cold out, like really cold. We're gonna pull this stuff off.
Crap.
And we're gonna
at
bring it
my
inside the
mustache.
car and we're gonna eat good. Alright, let's go. Woo! Oh yeah, there we go. Oh man. Good morning, guys. Currently about 7. Oh man, we're gonna get up and go do some fishing, so it's felt pretty good. Better than I expected, that's for sure, so.
Going off road.
Yeehaw! Woo! Well guys, here's the spillway. Let me get down here, bait up, and see if we can catch something. All right, well, Josh and I are quite hungry. We're hoping to catch our dinner, and we're gonna head to right by camp here. There's a lake we're gonna fish. We're gonna get out there in the ice, probably just walk from camp, take a left, and yeah, we're gonna get down there, pop a couple holes, and with any luck, hopefully we can find some fish. hoping to do a catch and cook, so we'll see what happens. Otherwise, if not, tonight we're gonna hit the pizza joint, so hopefully we can get on some fish. Nothing but littles so far, but we're out here. Alright, we're on the board. We got some din-din. Woo! Alright guys, well, sadly we tried. The fishing is terrible, so there's like no footage. We caught a bunch of little dinks out of this lake. Bluegills, some perch. Not sure what we're gonna do tonight for supper. I'd like to cook something up for you guys to watch, see, and I don't know, the wind is just whipping. It's cold. Can't really tell in here, but I think we're gonna go back up to the car, figure out what we're gonna do for this afternoon. Probably go get some food, and we got one more night sleeping in the car. I think tonight's supposed to be a little bit colder. I'm not sure, but either way, make some food, chill out, and yeah, just relax, enjoy it, and see you guys soon. Let you know what we're gonna do. So, what do you think we should do?
I got dinner for me.
One fish, yeah, that's good.
There's nothing good. Can't see. Might as well just drive like this.
Can't see nothing. She's going down.
I like driving when I can't see. Might as well close my eyes.
It's good. The wiper works good.
Wiper's
good.
done. Done ski. You're old, huh? Guess you gotta replace your wipers every year in Wisconsin, bud.
This is nuts. You're white.
Well, I am white. Where's the road?
It does not take long.
I still don't.
Literally, we can't see, what, 2 feet in front of the car?
Don't see nothing.
It's wild.
See some bushes.
All for some car camping, huh?
Yeah, it's your fault. Man, I'm running into one of these snowbanks.
It's crazy. Wild.
That's for my mope.
Can't catch any fish, so resort to pizza. All right, well, that was about the extent of our trip. Ended on a weird spot. Unfortunately, we had to come back. Something came up and we had to head back home, so we weren't able to do one more night like we planned. But overall, good buddy and I got to do some winter car camping up north and did some fishing. Fishing could have been better, but it is what it is, and made a good memory. So anyways, it is freezing right now in Wisconsin. It is -7 out right now. That's not going to stop me. I plan to do some more truck camping here shortly. Keep making videos for you guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and there'll be a lot more to come. And as always, love y'all, and I'll see you on the next adventure.